but this is the reality. But what is happening with our environment right now? Deforestation.
Our environment is facing some challenges, and one of these was deforestation. Deforestation is one of the largest problems in the environment. Before, we can see a wide green field, but now we can see a different establishment like malls, commercial buildings, restaurants that are standing instead of trees. Can you picture yourself in a world without trees?
Can you imagine it? Air pollution. Air pollution. Air pollution is a mixture of solid particles and gases in the air. The air pollution in the world is caused by a lot of factors. Smoke from factories, buildings, cigarettes, motor vehicles. Climate change.
Next is climate change. It is the expected pattern of weather or abnormal changes to the climate. If this continues, the earth will be destroyed. What will be the result if this continues? The storms like hurricanes and typhoons are forming. The glaciers are melting, causing to rise the sea level, soil erosion, and flooding.
What should we do to revive our environment that's slowly dying? Plant more trees. Trees provide us food and oxygen. They help save energy and help combat climate change. Drive less. Refrain from using vehicles that use fuels.
Conserve water. It will save us later. Reduce, reuse, recycle. Follow the 3 R's to conserve natural resources.
Sustainable tourism is a form of tourism that respects both local people and the traveler, cultural heritage and the environment while providing an exciting and educational holiday that is also of benefit to the people of the host country.